Hi guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to block or unblock someone on BeReal. So first of all we will go into the BeReal mobile application, and here it will open, and here you will see all your friends. So basically there is no friend here, and here you will see the discovery option, and just here you have to click on the left side top corner, and here you can add your friends, and whoever your friends which is already added, it will show here. And so if you want to unfriend that friend, you have to just click on that and it will open, and you will see this kind of icon, and on the top right side corner there will show three lines. You have to click over that and they will show, it will unfriend your friend. Okay, unfriend your, like for example, unfriend Cole underscore 25. So you have to click on that, and in this way you will able to unfriend your friend. Okay, so this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you on the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.